What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out. We're getting ready for our last break of our Sunday Fun Day. We had 2 earlier today. Right now, we got 5-box hat-trick mixer. It is break 664. Great lineup. We're live. Good luck. Let's see what we got in store for us here. It is 10:40. Better turn 10:41. Theo down to Clay. Anaheim to Winnipeg. You know the routine by now. 1, 2, slow 2, 3. Let's copy it. 3 timestamp, third timestamp says 10:41. 10:41. Last and final will do it. Fourth and final timestamp says 10:41. 10:41. Let's copy them over. Chicago to Edmonton. Chicago to Edmonton, and we got Buffalo to Vancouver. There's your teams. Let's match the names with them. Still 10:41. Theo to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 10:42. 10:42 it is, and we're on our last and final random. Fourth and final says 10:42. 10:42 it is. Johnny to Clay. And Clay to Brian. All right, folks, there's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in a little bit over 15 minutes. Thanks again. See you soon. Good luck.